Hey guys, today we're going to be installing this rubberized base plate available from OnlyGenerals. You're only going to need a couple tools for this, something to remove the push pins, and a T40 Torx bit. Let's get going. First things first, you're going to remove each one of these push pins from the front of your dash. There's 5 of them. Very simple. After removing the push pins, you can put them over here for safekeeping. Now you'll notice that the dash lifts up and you can put your hand underneath there. It's kind of hard with one hand, but you can hold the metal base plate while you unscrew these. So I'm going to go ahead and swap this plate over. I'm going to shut the camera off though because I need 2 hands to do this with. All right, when you have the plate swapped over, you can take this Polaris plate and toss it over there. And then what you're going to do is just tighten these up and kind of put it in the same spot your original plate was in. And your windshield should line right up perfectly. And, oh no. All right, we've got those all tightened up. Now we'll replace the push pins. Congratulations, you've just installed the rubberized base plate from OnlyGenerals.